Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Love This Memory Notebook Kit. It contains supplies for one memory notebook. It has a stamp set, it has an acrylic block, it has a tear tape, and it has some parakeet party, like a little ink square. It has some memory keeping paraphernalia, and I'm going to share with you how I used this notebook. So here are all the components. I love that it came with this washi tape that's silver, and you wouldn't believe the stuff that got left over. So right away, I put the little pocket in the front panel, because any little extra bits and bobs I'm going to stick in there, because I left some pages for the end of my booklet. So it's a never-ending booklet about my kitties. You guys, I'm a bachelorette. I live by myself, and except for these two crazy kitties. I call them baby kittens. They come to that too. It's from when they were younger, when they were babies. And here's a baby picture of them. They were so cute when they were little. Now they don't even like each other. So I would never get that picture. And they did grow into their ears. So their names are Molly and Quinn. And I'm going to share with you just how to do a memory book. Like, I know it seems a little goofy that I'm sharing this about my cats, but I don't have kids, and yeah, these are my family. So any one of you that tells me how cute they are in the comments below, I will think of you like my favorite commenter. So again, it comes with this adhesive. So I'm sharing how easy it is to put together. And of course, you guys, I've sped this up just so you know. I just printed these pictures. I didn't even use photo paper. I just put them on copy paper. So it's nothing, like, it's a thinner medium to work with. And I thought you know what, if it was a picture, I'd probably be too precious to cut it. So I'm happy that I'm using some of the papers, and that I'm using my pictures that I'm just printed out on my inkjet printer. So as you can see, there's like little 1.5 by 1.5 squares. There's also sort of like these bigger cards. This is, I put that this is Molly B. Her name's Molly, but I call her Molly B because when I play with her, she jumps really high. Like, she would definitely catch flying things for sure. And okay, so going on with this, like the washi tape, it's so nice. It was really easy to rip, and I'm honestly, even though I sped this up, it probably didn't take longer than an hour to complete this. Once I had all the pictures that I wanted, that I chose, and I am just making up the pages as I go along, you guys. So nothing is precious. I'm having fun just creating. So this is Quinn, and I call him Quinny Bug. Because when I play with him, he would go along and play on the bottom of like the ground, like he was chasing a bug. He also has 3 legs. He's a tripod, and it's interesting because his tail goes over his missing leg. So it's interesting for balance purposes. It's really cute. We do not treat him like he has a handicap at all. The only thing that I do for him sometimes is I just make things a little bit more accessible for him. So he has some things because it's his wet back leg. So he's good at jumping down, but he's not so good at jumping up on things. So, and lately he's been sleeping with me, and I'm usually, because I snore, I don't know if any of you guys snore, but I snore, and I try not to snore on my back, or like I try not to lay on my back, because that's where I really snore. But oftentimes I wake up in the middle of the night and he is tucked up right underneath my armpit, just enjoying, and he's snoring away too. So between the two of us snoring, I'm surprised that Molly, doesn't go insane. Anyway, There are so many little components and stickers, and I had so much left over. I would be able to do probably another one of these just with the stickers left over. So I can imagine, you know, you taking this kit camping with you, or if you have a Polaroid, that would probably be even better. The fact that there's like little stickers that you can write your own sentiment. I use the stamp sometimes, and the stamp is quite nice. It has a whole bunch of, you know, more like sentiments like this is a great day, and it's, you know, beautiful, and that sort of thing. So and these pictures, like sometimes my cats, why are you so weird? I just look at these pictures of them sleeping like humans almost. They're so ridiculous most of the time. I'd never catch it on film, so when I do catch a picture of these ridiculous kitties sleeping on their back, or sometimes Molly just lies in the middle of the living room on her back like she's broken, like she's all of a sudden run out of energy and has to recharge in the sunshine. That's her. She's so cute. And it's so funny because her purr is so low, and you can barely hear that she's purring. And I thought for the longest time she wasn't a big purr. And you can't, like, let me tell you, you can't touch her head. She doesn't like her head being touched. She doesn't even like people, I'm pretty sure. But for whatever reason, she lets me pet her. So thank goodness. And she'll come right up on the desk here while I'm working on something and want pets, and, you know, like really tries to get me to give her some attention. And of course, they love going outside in their baskets and their little tents. It's so funny. This is my last page. Surprisingly, that I managed to talk all the way through that. So you guys, I'm going to leave a link to this kit in the description box below, and maybe you might have a quick use for it. Maybe when you're traveling, you know, in the RV this summer, you might want to grab some Polaroid pictures and, you know, do this with your grandkids or your children. I think it's pretty cute. And I'm just going to show you quickly my pictures here, and that's it for me. It's a Wildcard Wednesday, you guys. It's very unusual. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.